Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're gonna mount these two storage boxes onto the roof rack of the 4Runner. Stick around. These are the two boxes we're getting ready to mount, and these are from Harbor Freight. They are the Apache 9800. I got one green and one black. I bought a 4-foot length of aluminum stock. It is 1.5 inches wide, 1/8 of an inch thick, and we cut them in 12-foot sections, so 4 even sections. And you can see I label it here. It's 12-inch in length, and then I drilled 2 holes, which are 9-inch center to center, and that happens to be the spacing of the roof rails center to center where I put the spring nuts. We just made these. These are the set screws. They're 1.25 inch in length, and then I put a slot on top so we can secure those down into the spring nuts. And we're going to mount in the box these. I'll drill in the holes right now, 9 inches apart. Will be one on top here and then one on this side. And then we'll put those into the roof rack rails with the set screws. We're gonna mount one of the storage boxes spanning over these 2 rails right here. And then the other storage box will be under the 2 rails, and we'll line them up evenly. We're gonna mount them using these spring nuts or strut nuts. They're gonna fit right into the slot of the roof rack. We'll put them in place, and we'll do 2 in the front, 2 in the rear. We're going to use support brackets so they're nice and sturdy, and if you get into an accident, they're not going to fly off the roof. And we'll measure everything up and get these things installed. Also, with these strut nuts, I'm going to have to custom make the set screws to the right height to make sure that they don't protrude too far into the storage boxes. So if you haven't seen the video when I make those set screws, please refer to the video when I did the awning mount, and you'll see the procedure for making the set screws in that video. Box is mounted up, and I have all my brackets and wing nuts in place. I did silicone. I didn't have clear silicone, but I used the white silicone to seal up the holes for the set screws. And have that bracket in place. I'm going to use washers. And then wing nuts. These are not my preferred wing nuts. I would like the black plastic ones, but this is what I had. So I'll use these for now. I could always replace them. And then we'll secure the boxes down, and it'll be all set. I'll do the same to the top. I'll mount the other box on this side, and then we'll take a look at the final product. The goal here is to use these boxes for all of my recovery gear and a lot of my camping gear. So traction boards, axe, shovels, tire repair kits, and a lot of the camping gear will go into those boxes when I hit the road. I am hoping to do an overnight camping trip next weekend, and we will be sleeping out of the back of the 4Runner. So I'm going to see how that setup goes. This will be the first time actually overnight sleeping in the truck. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to try to get some footage as well. This is some of my gear that I'll be putting up into the storage boxes. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Please hit the subscribe button. I have a lot more installs coming up for this vehicle and for the Ram Rebel. Take care, guys.